Hi friends, welcome back, and if you are new here then do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply liquid eyeliner easily for beginners, and for that I'm using this Lakme Insta liner. Starting off, I'm going to start drawing from center of my eyelid area, and slowly and gradually with very short strokes start drawing your eyelid area. Now start drawing to your inner corner. Now finally draw it to your outer corner of your eyelid area. So you can adjust the thickness of this eyeliner by just, if you want your eyeliner to be thick, then just draw another thick layer. Now I'm going to create a very small wing here. Draw a wing, and after drawing wing, just fill in the gaps of that wing. So if you want more wing, then extend that wing. So finally I'm satisfied like this. So I have completed applying eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply kajal on my lower lash line. If you want, you can also apply this on your waterline also. You can apply liquid eyeliner, but I want a kajal on my lower eyelid area, so I'm lining kajal here. So I want more thick kajal. I like very thick kajal, so I'm applying another coat of kajal. So with the help of finger, just take any excess product left over on your eyelashes. So clean it with help of your fingers. Next I am applying mascara. You can use any mascara of your choice. So this is how you can apply eyeliner easily at home. Hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. See you, bye.